So this workshop is just one small part of trying to narrow down that skills gap. This is the first point at which we can engage their interest and try and draw them into a pipeline that leads them to a STEAM career.
Compared to a normal lesson, I really liked this. This is like a challenge that we haven't done before.
In class, we do a lot of textbook work. I like to do things hands-on. I like to go out and explore to learn.
You had to analyse what worked, what didn't, understand weight distribution, and you had to communicate how you should fix that.
Problem solving, the creativity. You need to be a good designer to know what to do.
This helps with children like with the practical brain because you're interacting to like create this beautiful masterpiece.
You could see them coming back after lunch. They were running through the door, weren't they? They're not like that coming to my lesson. They want practical, they want links to careers, they want real-world experience. Just being able to have an opportunity like that for them is amazing.
I got to try new things that I would have never thought of doing before. We worked as a team, and once we'd done it, even though it didn't go too well, it was nice to see that we'd achieved something.
It was spectacular, I had a great time. If you feel like, oh, I want to do engineering when I'm older, this is for you. It gives you an insight of what people do as their job on a daily basis.